Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel with another episode of Trip to KSA Ziyarat Makkah, episode 4. Here we're going to Ziyarat of Makkah, where we have a plan to visit Masjid Jinn, Garden Soar, Mount Arafaat, Masjid Nimra and Jable Noor. So our first stop is Cave of Sur, where Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and his companion Abu Bakr Rahmatullah alayh hid for 3 days from the Quraysh tribe, and it happened by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala helped them, where spiders spin a web on the cave entrance and preventing enemies from seeing them and finding them. It is also said that pigeons may dip the nest on that cave and lay the eggs to confuse the Quraysh that this cave never been used. Because of this history, this cave has a great importance in Islamic religion, and to visit during your Umrah and Hajj.
Look at all of these pigeons over here.
Visited to Masjid Nimra. It is also in Makkah and one of the great Ziyara where Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu wasallam, peace be upon him, stayed before delivering his last sermon in Arafat. It is one of the very important place as a landmark during the Hajj, because here the khutbahs of the pilgrimage are actually happen during the days of Arafat, during the timings of Zohar and Asr prayers. We also offer 2 rak'ah nafil at Masjid Nimra. And our next stop is Jable Rahma. I can't express my feelings, trust me, to be here on this spot. It is a truly miraculous place to be, where after being taken out of Jannah and placed on earth, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showered his blessings and forgave them. It was Jable Arafat where Prophet Adam alayhi salam and Bibi Hawa alayhi salam met up again. Note that writing on this pillar is highly prohibited, although I have seen a lot of people writing here. Instead, you have to offer 2 rak'ah salah and can ask for Allah's blessing and rahmah. From our way to Mount Arafat to Mina and Mudalfa, a chance to see this great water canal made by the Queen Zubaida and has some hidden interesting facts. Abbasid Queen Zubaida made this stone canal in 19th century to connect from Kufa to Makkah and Medina, and made the supply of water available for the pilgrimage. It was almost next to impossible of what the engineers have done of this time. This is why this landmark has a great importance and also is being called as Darb-e-Zubaydah in the praise of the Queen's kindness. So if you are at Umrah and you're visiting the Ziyara places, do not miss the opportunity to go and see the Arkan-e-Hajj Ziyarat as well. To perform Hajj, there are several steps, and out of which coming to Mina and settling down for a day is the first step. The area of Mina. Mina is a ground where these camps are situated for the pilgrims during their Hajj time, where they have to spend 1 day. Making a haram, pilgrims arrive to Mina to spend a day of worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. These camps are there situated for their help by the government, so they can stay in a peaceful and comfortable place where they have provided with the food, water and all the other related necessities. Here you can see Maqam Ibrahim, which is situated in Mount Arafat, where Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam was prepared to sacrifice his son Ismail alayhi salam before Allah mercifully that a ram for sacrifice was exchanged in place. Maidan-e Arafat is where pilgrims gather during the Hajj on 9th Zil-Hajj to supplicate their prayers. Once Prophet Muhammad said, Hajj is Arafat. All dead bodies will be raised against at the day of judgment from here for the final judgment. Arafat is represented as a day of judgment where every person stand before Allah and answer for his deeds. Here you can see the beautiful and symmetric view of Mina camping. During the Hajj, About 30 to 45 lakh people accompanied by these camps, and they looks more comfortable and very safe to stay. While our way to Muzdalfa, we get to see the place of Jamarat, which is called Three Stone Pillars. Here, pilgrims perform the next ritual of Hajj, which is called Rami, the stoning of devil, over the next day at 10th Zilhajj. Ritual of throwing the stones at devil carried out by Hajj is take place at Jamarat, which is the stone pillars. Here you will see the pillars of Jamarat, the three pillars of Jamarat, one after another. Here we can see the first one, and then there is a middle one, and this one, which you can see at the last, is the biggest to hit shaitan. Here we have entered to Muzdalifah, Masjid where Prophet Muhammad offered Maghrib and Isha prayers together. During Hajj, after you depart from Arafah, you come to Muzdalifah Masjid, and as a pilgrim, you have to offer Maghrib and Isha prayers one after another, as well as a Hajj ritual. Jable Noor. People are actually there on the top of it. Now we are at Jable Noor, where first verses of Holy Quran were revealed to Prophet Muhammad inside the cave of Hira during the last 10 days of Ramadan. It is certainly not easy to climb up to the hill and made it to Ghar Hira, so it is highly recommended if you want to do it. So try to start early morning. Also, it takes great courage and stamina to make it to the hill, although it is one of the great blessings that you can offer to Raqqa at Ghar Hira. So up there, not so easy.
Here are the gyms look like.
Yeah. Here is the clock tower.
Over there.
Over there. This is Masjid.
There is like
Long ago,
evil. The
the
gyms are evil,
jinns,
right?
yeah, no, not evil, ghosts were living here for a long time. They were non-Muslim before Rasul arrived himself and gave the khutbah. It turned into Muslim. All religion. So this is it from our Makkah Ziyarat, and I will try to put the pictures at the end of the video to sum it up. While waiting for our car, I just got to see this beautiful piece of art exactly in front of Masjid Ajin, and the colors were so vibrant so that I couldn't resist to capture it. Last but not least, I want to include that you can easily book your ride for Ziyara from the Makkah taxi stand. just at the front of Masjid. This I found really interesting. You can see this is the bus stop. It has wonderful art. I mean like art displaying here. And with some buildings. This is cool. I mean maybe the camera is not able to capture it, but it is so cool to look.